Text alignment. Alignment is a setting of text, flow, or image relative to cell edges. In Excel, we can align text horizontally and vertically. Text alignment options are present under Home tab. Horizontal alignment. To set horizontal cell alignment, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell, row, column on which we want to apply horizontal alignment. Step 2. Under the Home tab on the ribbon, we can see 3 horizontal alignment buttons in the alignment group. Step 3. If we look closely at the buttons, the lines on the button indicate the type of alignment pressing that button provides: left, center, or right. Click the alignment button we wish to apply. Align left aligns text to the left of the cell. Center aligns text to the center of the cell. Align right aligns text to the right of the cell. Here we are using center alignment. Vertical alignment. To set vertical alignment, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell, row, or column on which we want to apply vertical alignment. Step 2. Under the Home tab on the ribbon, we can see 3 vertical alignment buttons in the alignment group. Step 3. If we look closely at the buttons, the lines on the button indicate the type of alignment pressing that button provides: top, middle, and bottom of cells. Click to apply one of the alignment types. Top align, text to the top of the cell. Middle align, text to the middle of the cell. Bottom align, text to the bottom of the cell. Here we are using middle alignment. Merging and splitting cells. Merging cells. Combining 2 or more cells in a single cell is known as merging. To merge the several cells into a single cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select 2 or more adjacent cells that we want to merge. Step 2. Click Merge and Center button under the Home tab in the Alignment group. The cells will be merged and the cell content will be centered in the merged cell. Splitting cells. To separate the merged cells is known as splitting. To split merged cells, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the merged cell we want to split. Step 2. Choose the Home tab. Step 3. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. Click the Unmerge Cells option. The cells will split and the contents of the merged cell will appear in the upper left cell of the range of split cells. Inserting rows and columns. At times, while entering data in a file, we miss some data entry or record of a person. In such situations, we have to insert some rows, or columns in a worksheet later on. Let us learn how to insert these in the worksheet. Inserting rows. To insert rows in the worksheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row above which we want to insert a blank row. Step 2. Open the Home tab. In the Cells group, click the drop-down arrow next to the Insert button. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Select the Insert Sheet Rows option. A new row will be inserted above the selected row. Or right-click on the row header above which we want to insert a new row. From the Context menu, select the Insert option. Inserting columns. To insert columns in the worksheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the column to the left of which we want to insert a new column. Step 2. In the Cells group of the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the Insert button. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Select the Insert Sheet Columns option. A blank column will get inserted. Or right-click on the column header on the left of which we want to insert a new column. From the Context menu,